Welcome back everyone, welcome to part 2 of loops, and in this video we'll be looking at while loops. Now while loops are really easy and this will be the shortest video. So basically while loops happen when a condition is true. So we can say num is equal to 2, so we have a variable, and while num is 2, then we can say print right number. Okay, so if we check this, as you can see, it prints right number because we know that this condition is true. So while this condition is true, it will just continuously print this. So that's right. To escape this, you can just hit Control C. Now you can change these statements depending on how you want the condition to be. So while num is, say, smaller than 2, and we can set that to 1, we can say that num is smaller than 2. Save and run. So as you can see, it just continuously does the loop. Now things might get a little annoying and you might hate it constantly printing the same statement. So to avoid this, you can simply just break out of the loop and only prints once. So as you can see, it's printed it out and it knows that it's done the job, so it breaks out of the loop. And that's pretty much it for basic while loops. Until we get into advanced while loops, this is all we will need. And as I said, it's really basic. So thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.